Once upon a time, there was a prison in France known for being very strict with its inmates. One of the prisoners was a man named Louis, who had been given a long prison sentence. The guards treated Louis differently from the other prisoners. They were kind and respectful to him, which confused the rest of the inmates. The other prisoners began to suspect that Louis was working for the guards as a spy, listening to their conversations and reporting back to them. Because of this, they treated him badly and believed he was a traitor. However, Louis always said he was just like any other prisoner and had no connection to the guards. But the other inmates thought he was lying and demanded to know why the guards treated him so well. Louis couldn't convince them otherwise, so he gathered all the prisoners and asked them, "What do you write in your letters every week?" They replied, "We write about how the guards are mean to us, how much we hate them, and all the unfair things they do to us." Louis smiled and said, "But in the last lines of my letters, I write about the guards' kindness and even praise some of them by name." The prisoners were shocked by what Louis revealed. One of them angrily asked, "What does your good treatment have to do with the rest of us, even though you know the guards are unfair?" Louis replied, "Oh, wise one, our letters don't leave the prison until the guards read them. Those written words are how we communicate. The guards learn about our problems, both big and small, and they also know about your hatred. Let's change the way you write your letters and see what happens." Louis suggested. The next week, the prisoners were surprised to see that the guards' behavior had changed towards all of them, not just Louis. The guards became mean and unkind. Louis was confused and gathered all the prisoners again, asking them what they had written in their letters this time. They replied, "We wrote that Louis taught us a new way to trick the guards, gain their trust, and make them happy by falsely praising them in our weekly letters."